All right, geometry students, let's look at Unit 2, Lesson 5, Points, Segments, and Zigzags. I can write a proof that segments of the same length are congruent. All right, so this is showing that we are capable of writing a proof that would then show that segments of the same length are, in essence, congruent. It's identifying that congruence is equal. Okay, our review vocab is still corresponding parts. Remember, those are the parts that fall on top of each other when a rigid transformation takes a figure onto its image in some way. All right, so our warm-up that you need to bring tomorrow is if A is a point on the plane and B is a point on the plane, then A is congruent to B. So we have that congruent statement. What you want to do is try to prove this claim by explaining why you can be certain the claim must be true, or try to disprove this claim by explaining why the claim cannot be true. So choose one of those two options. Now, if you're not sure how to disprove something, I have a little help here. If you can find a counterexample is just an example that would then counter the statement. It would prove it to be wrong or disprove it, in which the if part, the hypothesis, is true. So if A is a point on the plane, that would be true, and B is a point on the plane, that would be true. But the then, so the second part here, the then part, conclusion, is false. You have disproved the claim. So if you could show how both of these are on the plane, but A is not congruent to B, then you have disproven the situation. So come up with a way to explain why it's true, or come up with a way to create a counterexample that disproves the situation. Bring that to class tomorrow, and then that's going to start our discussion. Thanks.